Happy birthday, Olivia.
Ayan. Ngayon lang kami nag-vlog. Tapos ka na, Louie? Di pa?
I don't know.
Ngayon, sige.
That was so close.
Oo nga, no?
Magko-concert ako, guys. Ikaw gagawin kong papagawa kong Elvis Presley.
Ha?
Di ba yung parang may ganun dito?
Wow. Lalong tumangos ka, Louie. Nilagyan niya ng ano, ito. Lalong ang tangos mo tingnan.
Siyempre siya din.
Natingin nga kung ano. Fan na medyo mahina.
Fan? Ito meron siya. Nagpapawis yung nagpapawis.
Ang lamig na ha.
Ito. Tingnan mo na lang sa pawis na. Gising na ang birthday girl. Siya na lang. Hindi na. Pumunta na dito. Ayaw mo na? You want rice or fries? Wala pa sa mood. Kailangan fix na fix yung ano niya, di ba? Si Retro.
Yeah.
Siya ba yung birthday girl? Oo, ako.
Ang birthday girl.
Gusto. Ayaw kasi magpaano.
Ayaw magpaayos.
Ayaw buhok. Ayaw magdamit.
You know, look at Mommy Oli. Oh, let's go. Come on. Let's fix your hair.
I don't like to fix my hair.
Pwede mag-concert to.
Yes.
So pretty. Olivia!
Ang cute talaga ng buhok mo, Lou. Oh, parang sa Mean Girls. Ikaw parang ano, character sa movie. Nakalimutan ko kung sino. Ate, gusto mo yun? Katulad kay mami mo? Contact lens? Kaya mo yan? Ba't ayaw mo?
Ayaw ko.
Ano?
Takot yan.
Oli! Ito na. You like it? You like it? Ito na tayo. Wow!
Happy birthday po, Oli. I hope you're gonna do well in the future. And as your ate, I wish you have the happiest birthday in the world and be a healthy person. Thank you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Oli. What do I say? I don't know what to say. Okay, done.
Happy birthday, Oli! We love you! Stay pretty!
Happy birthday, Oli! Thank you for inviting us.
Happy birthday, my silly Oli. Super proud kami ni Daddy mo sa'yo dahil lumalaki kang smart, happy, and mabait and sweet. Medyo ano lang minsan, bawas-bawasan mo lang yung namana mo sa aking topak. Pero okay lang yon as long as healthy ka and happy baby. and safe ka lang palagi. We love you, my silly Oli!
Happy birthday, Oli! Gaya ng mga sinabi ko sa ate mo, ang hiling ko lang sa'yo is maging mabuti kang tao at kung ano man ang tatahakan mo sa buhay, nandito lang kami ni Mami para sa'yo.
We love you, Oli!
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday! Mwah! Pinunasan! Ayan, patugtog kayo ng K-pop.
Ano muna kami picture-picture habang wala pang mga bisita. Ah, sarap! Yummy! Tapos ito yung ano, DIY.
From Beat Delighted.
Beat Delighted. Ayan na, oh. Ayun. Louie. Ganon, lakayin mo. Diba? Pwedeng matanda. Ano? Mamaya pag may program, baka di ka na makapunta. Try mo na. Tatry mo?
Papa.
Try mo na dun.
Pwede ba mo to call?
Oo. Doon, pila ka na doon. Habang wala pang pila mamaya. Ay, damihan mo. Pero dapat hindi ka na eh. Sa atin yan galing. Isama mo pati paa. Pati paa. Yung feet mo. Feet mo. Pati yung feet. Pati yung feet. O, yan.
Yay!
Oh.
Dami!
Hello.
Say hi daw.
The party venue, the art and network cafe outside of the...
Hello. Wag yung bola. Iba. Kailangan natin ito i-vlog. Milestone. Hello. Kapunta rin. Oo nga.
Nakapunta ka, di ba Beyonce?
Hello. Oh, what's up? Akala ko may ganun ka pa eh. Okay naman kayo dyan. Oh, complete outfit.
Tulog yung Elvis. Meron na tayo
Hello. Konnichiwa. Ay, hindi pala to ano.
Magganyan kayo sa sasakay na.
Oo, pwede yan. Kaya ako niyan eh.
Cute nilo.
The running man yan.
Get more!
Damihan mo.
Wag yung ball. Wag yung ball. More, more. Ay, naku. Wait, naku.
Yan.
More pa, more. Get more.
Sayang, wala.
No, wala yung nanay ka tatay. Wala ko.
Mabenta to ah. Mukhang may target na talaga to.
Oo nga eh. Ang cute.
Hindi natakot ah. Sama mo pati paa. Yung paa.
Ang ganda.
Thank you, anak.
Bakit?
Ganda ko. Kukunin na.
Ganda ng picture,
Picture
Glitch.
kayo. 1, 2, 3.
Parang papayata.
Totoo. Sobrang traffic.
Ay, ayoko. Taba.
Isa pa daw.
Isa pa? Sige.
Pwede 0.6 na.
Oh, sige, 0.6 na lang. 1, 2, 3. Ikot tayo. Medyo dinelay lang yung program kasi sobrang traffic pala ngayon. Kaya late na nag-start. Dapat kanina pa eh. Ayan o, dyan o, try nyo.
Ano namin kasi ito eh.
Si China lang magta-try, mas magaling.
Talaga ito naubusan na ng pila.
We're about to introduce, we're in a celebration today. It's a very special day. As we open that huge door, let's all give them a big round of applause. We're going to start off with the big sisters, Ate Ai! Oh wow, what a fat girl! Clap your hands for Ate Louie! Another fat girl! Now let's clap our hands for the fat family, headed by Mommy Mia, Daddy Al with a birthday girl! Put your hands together for Oli! We're going! If that's your birthday family, we can have them on stage instead. Can we greet Oli a big happy birthday in the count of 3? Everybody shout happy birthday, Oli. 1, 2, 3!
Happy birthday, Oli!
And that's our family suite. Alright guys, let's sing this wonderful song created only for birthday celebrators around the world. You know what this is? It's a birthday song. So sing this one song for Oli. It's her birthday. Together as family, music please.
Happy birthday to you.
Everybody sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Come on louder everybody.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Now make your wishes and clap your hands for Oli. Happy birthday to you. Come on guys, sing louder. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now everybody make your wishes for that girl. Together as family, help Oli blow her 3rd birthday candle. You guys are ready? In the count of 3, we shout happy birthday, Oli. As she blows the birthday candle. Are you ready, honey? Blow that candle. Everybody shout happy birthday, Oli. 1, 2, 3. All right, take a photo of that lovely family. And that's it, the process by doing it. So we're going to play our first game. Guys are ready, stand up.
Ang ganda na, may kita. Totoo, pagpasok ko.
Right.
Ay, boy. Yung pa
One big super one.
Ha?
I know you're excited.
Ayan o,
All right,
join
let's
ka
see
o.
right here. Let's ask again, am I playing with those who are 4 years old? Is there anyone who's 4? 5? Please raise your hands up if you're 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're 10? Now all you need to do is you wait for the music to stop. When it stops, you pick a blanket you like, you spread the blanket, you hide inside with your friends. It's easy. Something like that. You can cheer good. Let's keep playing this game until we get tired and hungry. Are you guys ready to play? Everybody let go of your hands, put your hands in the back. Shake to the right, shake to the left. Up. Now we're gonna munch. Okay, keep munching, honey. Go ahead, keep munching. Be mindful of the small kid. Hang in there. Grab a blanket. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Just share the blanket. Share the blanket. It's a sharing game. Share. Hide inside. Share. Grab one paper in the bag. And open it up, read out loud the winner for the first game. The winner for the first game is Green. Green, congratulations, Green. We're gonna play an easy game. Now before we play the game, I want you guys to face your partner. Face your partner. We're gonna play a game, it comes with a rope. We're not gonna tie our mommies up. Not even your daddies up. So everybody put your hands in your waist. Let's start the limbo rock game. Music please and follow me. Shake your waist left to right. We're losing the pace waist. Good. Okay. This is the first part. Yes. Very good. Now move your shoulders left to right. Then you bend over. You know how this works. Oh, yeah. Hold on to your partners. Everybody else joins after. Okay, together. Let's go. Together. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Get your prize. Come on, mommy. Make us proud. Yeah, get your prize. Oh, yeah. Get your prize. Oh, get your prize. Yes. Okay, give your prizes back to your mommy. Let's go. Let's go. There's one more chair. Okay, very good, girls and boys. Get your prize on the table. Ollie, there you go. What's the answer? Coco, very good. Claim your prize. Next movie. Ollie, yes. What's the answer? 5, 4. That's okay. Yes. What's the answer? Kanto? Is that every Kanto? Yes, it is. Get your prize. Next movie. Ollie, what's the answer? Frozen. Frozen, claim your prize. What's the answer? The Greatest Show. Very good. Claim your prize. Next movie. Yes, what's the answer? What? You forgot? Okay. Yes, what's the answer? Stitch comes with yes. Lilo and Stitch.
It ain't no passing grade.
Lion King, claim a prize, mommy. Let's play Mommies and Daddies TV series number 1. Yes, ma'am. The Love Boat, claim a prize. Or your kid gets prizes. Next. It is! Charlie's Angels, your kid gets prizes. Yes, sir, it is! Knight Rider. Yes, it is. Dragon Ball, claim a prize. Holly! The Raymond, claim a prize. Next TV series. Yes, sir! Ghost Fighter, claim a prize. Next TV series. Yes, sir. Ghostbusters, claim a prize. Yes. Modus 5, claim a prize. Mami, Daimos. Hindi po Daimos yan. Yes, Daddy. No, it's not Daimos. It's not Daimos. Yes. No, it's not. Yes. Voltus 5. It is also Voltus 5. Yes, sir. Yan ang Daimos. Si Ka Jose. Yes, sir. Mazinger Z. Ang galing ni sir. Get your prize. Yes, ma'am. Shider, get the prize. Next TV series.
Halata.
Nobody knows? Yes, sir. Wi-Fi mo. Siyempre, batch natin yun, sir. Claim your prize. Yes, sir. Sesame Street, claim a prize. Yes. Simpsons, very good. Grabe naman yun. Next TV series. Yes. Friends, claim a prize. Next TV series. Nobody Doogie Howser. Somebody knows? Yes, sir. Baywatch, Shame of Prize. Somebody knows? Pagkatapos ng Baywatch, this is Beverly Hills, Sing Your Prize. Alright, now we're gonna play Tagalog TV series. This is for everybody to be nostalgic about how beautiful it is to live in the 80s and 90s. So boys and girls, mommies and daddies, let's play Tagalog TV series. Number 1. Yes! Palibasa lalaki. Yes, sir! Chicks to Chicks, very good. 1985, ang galing ni sir. Yes! Todas, hindi po todas yan. Yes! School Book 1. It's possible. No, it's not siniskwela. Yes! Batibot! Yes! Going Bananas! Talaga. This is no Star Wars. Yes. No. This is Todas. This is Todas. Claim a prize. Tayo batang 90s dito. Yes, ma'am. Sina Eskwela. Claim a prize. Yes. Matinik. Very good. Ito pag may nakahula, ito talaga may badge ako dito. Yes, sir! Nakita ko, alam ko yan. You know! Champoy! Very good. Black and white type TV nun sir, ah. Oh, this one is easy. Yes, sir! Si Ryan Manawari. Very good. Claim a prize. Yes! Okay, dokie, claim a prize. Yes, ma'am! Yes, you! Marimar, kailangan po sayawin, ma'am. 4:30 na! That you are on TV na. And this is the last we have. Next TV series. Yes, ma'am! Eat Bulaga, that's correct. Claim a prize. Wow. I would just ask for volunteers because if you call them, they'll be here. So don't worry, mommy, I need about 5 of your girlfriends. You think will not let you. I need 6 girlfriends. You think will not let you them.
Kikay, Mosh, Ate Jean, Trisha, Monique.
So this is going to be the battle of the sexes. What's your favorite cartoon? You still watch cartoon?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. So kung Mickey Mouse to, Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse. Napakatalino ni sir. Mickey Mouse, are you ready to beat the Minnie Mouse? Yeah! Minnie Mouse, are you ready to beat the Mickey Mouse? Yes! Mambo Jumbo, arrange yourselves according to birth month. That means January to December. Hurry up. After you arrange yourselves, you're going to shout. Alright, Mickey Mouse shouted first. Let's check the arrangement.
February.
March? July. August. December. Oh my goodness, correct arrangement. Ang Minnie naman? April. September. October. But the Mickey Mouse shouted first. Next category, Mambo Jumbo, arrange yourselves according to your age. Nagbubulungan ng mga... Ba't ang bilis ng girls? Let's check! Ladies! Nagbulungan pa. Alam. Nagkachismisa na. Let's go.
32.
37! Totoo ba yan? 37 talaga? 1, 2, 3, 37. Magkakabatch? 40! Yeah, dito muna tayo. Lalaktaw lang ako ng konti. Check ko yung boy. 29. 30. 35. 44 ka? May mapila ka agad. Teka lang. 40? Ba't mas... Joke lang, 40. 45. Kala ko binasi mo sa itsura. Okay, so mali po yung arrangement ng boys. We got the correct arrangement. Pasensyahan mo naman tawag doon paggalang. Okay? Kala mo doon yung mauuna. Ay, sir, ikaw may kasalanan. Adidas. Hermes. Melissa. Steve Madden. Via. Walang brand. Dapat yun talaga. Walang brand. Okay, we got a winner. It's the ladies. Congratulations, everyone. Get your prizes.
We don't have to meet at the bar getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night and forget each other's names. Oh, no. This doesn't have to be a millennial love affair. This doesn't have to be the night of fun and then we leave. Oh, I wanna make it last with.
Hello! Ano?
Hindi siya pinapansin, nakatulog, makahiga siya. Hindi siya.
Ay. Layo muna ako. Hahabol. Mahabol na nga. Ayun o.
Call themselves One Brew.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, everyone. When you wish upon a star. When you wish, when you wish, when you wish, when you wish upon a star.
So, without further ado, let us start the serenade. Music, please. I close my eyes and I can see all this sweet life.
I think of what the world could be. A vision of the one I see. A million dreams for the world we're gonna
Or can everybody say happy birthday, Olivia, in 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much for celebrating family for joining us here, and happy birthday again, Olivia. But for this moment, we are now going to invite all of the kids to join us right here in front, boys and girls to join us here in front, because now is your time to showcase your talent and give this special thing. So, boys and girls, are you ready to seal the blue? Are you ready?
Ready to seal the balloon?
Is it a yes or yes? Yes, when you are ready, can you please shout happy birthday, Olivia? 1, 2, 3. Alright, here we go.
This is your moment.
the special moment of our mini concert, because this time we are now inviting everyone to join us. Okay, everyone, don't forget to show your beautiful smiles. Then compress everyone because we want you to be seen in our frame. There you go. All right, smile.
Okay, here, 1, 2.
How about one more video?
Yes, let's have a video. All together, we are going to shout happy birthday, Olivia. Ready? 2, 1. Happy birthday, Olivia! One big question. Do you love Olivia? Yes! Can I hear it a bit louder? Do you love Olivia? If you do, can you please shout happy birthday, Olivia? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much, guys.
You know, before I became a magician, I loved drawing. Who loves to draw here? Alright, fair enough. I started drawing when I was about 4. I would draw on the wall of the house. You do? Are we allowed to draw on the wall? No. We're gonna draw the big papers you all can see. We're gonna play guessing game. Music, please. Don't blink. This happens really fast. I need to guess what I'm gonna throw. What do you think this is? Yeah. It's a bird. Somebody said it's a bird. It's a special bird. With his hair. Together now. 1, 2, 3. Let's make things happen. The blink of an eye. You ready? Fine. Oh, wow. Are you okay? The parrot's name is Trix. Everybody say hi, Trix. Now, everybody go back to your chair. Be nice. You can tap the back of the parrot. Be nice. Okay. Alright. Don't be scared. It's real life. Hey, take a photo with your daddy. Holding the parrot. Sweet, we got more parrots. So don't worry about it. Oh, smile, daddy. This animal doesn't bite anymore, and he's really friendly. I'd like you to meet my good friend from Olongapo, and his name is Badong. This is Badong, my clapping monkey. Stop. Now, every time you see him clap, you clap your hands, okay? Let's give Susan a practice. Badong, when you clap, there, everybody clap. Okay. Stop clapping. Stop. Stop. Don't clap if he's not clapping. Don't clap if he's not clapping, okay? Now, why are you clapping? Alright! Stop clapping! Don't clap yet, okay? What? He's clapping!
Ang galing!
Badong, are you clapping?
Ubus na yung stuffed toy. Naubos na.
Roller skates, Mr. Parrot. Roller skates. Roller skates. Roller skates. Medyo tamad siya mag-roller skates. He used scooter. Scooter going to school. Let's go. Wow. Big round of applause for Sai. This parrot is very smart. His favorite subject is geometry. He knows shapes. What are you doing? That's not a square. That's not a square either. Almost. Oh, that's it. Yay! What's the next one? That's the star. Where do you put the star side? That's not the star. Dave, that's not the star over there. Not that one. Oh, that's the circle. Oh, yan yun. The birthday girl's name is Ollie. She pretty. Ollie pretty. Is Ollie pretty? Oh my goodness. Have you seen the daddy? The daddy's handsome? Boy. Is the mommy pretty? Oh my goodness. How about me? Am I handsome? My handsome. Am I handsome? It's going to play musical instruments. Mira, the music like parrot. What is this? You're Louie, right? Okay. Now, Louie, you just pick one card. There's a bunch of cards right here. I just want you to pick one. Pick one. Doesn't matter what, that's okay. Pick one. Place it right on top of this packet. Good. A big round of applause for Louie. Robin is going to wave the wand. And as she waves, you all shout, Happy Birthday, Ollie. After you hear that word, Ollie, you point the wand into the packet of cards. The card Louie chose will rise on its own. Concentrate, hold it up, wave, Happy Birthday, Ollie, and then point. That's all you need to do. You sit down, somebody turned into a rabbit after this one. Sit down. Okay. Concentrate, Robin, in the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Concentrate. Stop thinking about him. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. What are you doing? Just the packet lang. Try that one more time, Robin. 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday, Ollie! What are you doing? What are you doing? Just point it to the card. I guess that's a good distance already, okay? Concentrate, honey. Ready for the last time? Together, as family. 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday, Ollie! Don't remove it. Keep it. Do not remove it. Do not remove it. Do you remember your card? Is your card a red card? What? It's a black card? Is this her card? Everybody, I'm living right up close to Robin. Who thinks a lot about this, her ex?
Best in costume na pala.
Sharing it. And Kara, where's Kara? Kara, honey, stand on the stage. Stay right there. Be beautiful. Everybody's trying to pose and smile. Smile, boys and girls. Smile. The family has no influence over these winners. The reason is we chose the winners for them. Okay? Kami po ang pumili. Everybody, the best in costume for girl and boy. The best in costume for boys. Clap your hands for Noah! Congratulations, Noah. Birthday mom is going to award you with the best in costumes. May sash ka, syempre. Okay, where's Noah? Kala ko to si Noah. Asan ka ba, Noah? Noah, where are you? Your prize is the claw machine. Everybody, let's clap our hands for the winners. Winner for the best in costume for girls. Clap your hands for Althea! Where's Althea? Are you Althea? Clap your hands for si Althea. Are you sure? Kanina kasi nagkamali na kay Noah. Okay. Thank you for coming in your costume. Wow, Miss Sash. Very good, best in costume. And we got you 50,000 pesos! Umayos po ang pakiramdam ni Noah. Nakakita sa pera. Okay, here's Noah. Noah, you get your first right there. Wow, very good naman si Noah. At, let's not forget, meron kaming cash prize sa'yo. Noah, educational plan. Hanggang doctorate. Meron kaming special prize prize for an adult. Wala, meron kami. Siyempre, hindi tayo mawalan mga adult. Okay? So the girls has the best in costume we got for boys. And for the adults, let's give a big, big round of applause to Miss Trisha! Where's Miss Trisha? Trisha? Wow, thank you. Ito sa likod. Dalawa bang Trisha? Trisha po, Trisha. Ma'am, sorry, pasensya ka na. Sa letter T po nag-umpisa. Prank lang po yung prank. Okay. Wow, big round of applause! Wow. Thank you so much. Before we give out the giveaways, meron pa akong tatlong prize for adults po ito. Okay? So, para mabilis, we're gonna give these out to the fastest. Isa-isa muna. Siyempre, meron akong mahirap na bring me. Okay? Makakapagdala dito ng bring me na yun, you can get this first prize. The first bring me is friend or girlfriend. Kaya ano to, may twist to ha. A picture of your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend. Hurry up. 4, 3, 2. Ay, ganaw na. Bring me a 5 centavo coin. 5 centavo or the lowest denomination you can have. Patingin. Correct. Bring me a cell phone! Charger! Cable! Palapakan niyo po. Thank you so much. Those who want, punta lang po kayo dito. Oli, thank you so much.
Yay! Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you. Thank you. Where are you going?
Happy birthday, all. Happy birthday, all.
Thank you.
Oli. Happy birthday!
Oh yeah. Very good.
Yay!
Happy birthday, all. Happy birthday, all.
Happy birthday, all. Laki po. Thank you. Hey, translate pa lang. Happy birthday, all. So guys, we're gonna have a groupie with Oli on stage. Let's go up on stage. Let's go, guys. Thank you.
Paano siya sa pet?
Friend smile. Sweet. Yes, of course.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, bye-bye. Pareho na tayo. Wala na rin. Biglang inaasar ko pa siya kayo.
Al, happy birthday, Oli.
Sige, salamat.
Una na rin kami. Bye-bye!
Salamat. Ano yun?
Siya pa may birthday. Kaya ka siya.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, game. One more. Iwaki. Last. Look tayo kay Oli. 1, 2, 3. Me. Me tayo lahat. Me. Ang cute. Okay. Choose an effect. Huwag lang original lang. Yan lang. Huwag na mag-eme-eme. Wala ang boses. Ang boses. Yay! Hindi ko ata napakita tong cake. Pero ayan siya. Ayan yung cake. Ang ganda.
Tapos, iyaan mo na.
Tuwan-tuwa sila. Sila yung nagpuputok ng mga lobo. Andito na pala kami sa bahay, guys. Kanina pa. So, ayan yung mga gifts. O-open pa natin yan. Ito yung pinaka-topper dun sa cake ni Oli. Kinakain niya ngayon. Is it yummy? Natulog ka lang sa birthday mo eh. Tapos nangingayan talaga siya. Ayaw niya talaga yung mga malalakas yung sound. Nag-practice pa naman tayo mag-blow ng cake eh.